Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this automatic cat feeder dispenser with meal programming. Alright, so today we got our pet feeder. This is a 2-liter automatic pet feeder. So this one here has a transparent food bucket which prevents pets from starving. It has an anti-clogging self pedals to reduce clogging. So it dispenses from the top and to the bottom. It does have a lock and top so the cats don't go in there and get the food. It only dispenses when it dispenses. So first off in the box we do get a user manual. So this one here you can plan 1 to 6 meals a day up to 0 to 16 portions meal. So you can set a timer when to dispense the food to your cat. This got an upgraded lid lock design, so it helps prevent from cats going in there and stealing the food. So here is the user manual. This is what it looks like. You got the display here on the side, you got the food bowl right in the front, then you got the product description, and then you have how to install, which when you get it, it's already basically set up. All you have to do is grab the plug and the charger and plug it in, and then add the food into it. So we're just going to remove the plastic. Right here is the top. It has a locking mechanism that you unlatch it so they don't just go in there and get it. So you just push this button, it lifts up and it opens up to the cat bowl itself that will attach to the bottom of this feeder. So this one here is the dispenser, so you can fill this all the way up to the top. You don't have to worry about it spilling or any cats getting into it because it does have a lock mechanism. The only way to open this up is to unlatch it. So you see these little holes, you're just going to put them into these little holes right here. Just set it down there, lift it up, and it'll pop right in there into the holes, and it should make a pop sound, basically telling you that it is attached. It doesn't lock, but it does stay in place. So right here is where it dispenses the cat food into here, into this bowl. This bowl is removable, the top part. So right here you do get a charger as well as a charging wire so you can work the display. So this is a charging cable block. This type uses a type C, and then right here is type C to USB. So any type C to USB will work with this device. So you have the lock and unlock. Basically what that means is it locks the dispenser from dispensing. So when you want to do it manually, you want to go ahead and push that. You do have an option to use batteries if you don't want to use the provided charger. And on the other side, you can see there is the type C charging port right here at the bottom. Let me go ahead and latch this in there. So the type C goes in here and it just sets down here like the wire, so it doesn't interfere with it setting down on its feet. And it does have 4 little feet grip pads. So we're just going to plug this into the block, and then we're going to plug it into the wall. Now we're going to set the time. In order to set the time, you need to set and hold the settings button. First, we need to unlock it. So you click the settings button right here, you hold it down for 3 seconds, and then the number right here will start flashing. So you'll set it to your time, and then you've got your minutes. And then you want to unlock it to keep the savings. So now if you want to change the programs in the feeding schedules, you just click on the unlock button, hold it down, and then you'll go into the settings button. So this is an automatic dispensing, is right here. So you can see that once you push that, it'll dispense the cat food. So this is just if you don't want to use the timer, you can dispense it just right here for showing. So we're going to unlock this and we're going to set the feeding schedule. So now you see it's unlocked. We got to press the menu button and then we're going to set the time. So now we're going to set the time. Now we have to set, this is mode 1. You can go up to 6 feeding cycles a day. So we're going to set the time, and then we're going to set the portion. So it goes all the way up from 1 to 16. So the first 2 portions are really small. So I think I set mine at 3 or 4, which is a good amount, which is probably about a half a cup. And then you can set your portions, and I'm going to stick my cat food in here so I can show you the portions. So it's not set right now, but I'm going to show you with automatic dispensing. I'm going to push the button right here. You can see this is, let me unlock it first. So there is an unlocking button right here at the top, not only on the display, but you have an unlocking up here. You got to push this to the side. So now once we got that unlocked, we can dispense the food. So this is the basically first cycle. You can see how little that is. Now that's the second cycle. So the more you go up on the feeding cycle, the more it gives it. So now this bowl here is removable. You can see with me pushing it twice, that's how much it dispenses. So it is a set amount of what to dispense to your cat. The great thing about this, that it is automatic. You don't have to worry about it. As long as it's plugged in, it will automatically feed your cat. If you're looking for a nice automatic pet feeder, I would highly recommend checking this one out. The great thing about this, it is 2 liters, so you don't have to worry about it. You can go several weeks without actually having to fill it up. I would highly recommend checking this one out. This is a really nice automatic pet feeder.